pro-Biafra secessionist group, the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB), has reiterated that no person or group should compel Southeasterners to comply with the sit-at-home order that commences tomorrow, Friday, November 5th. The group also said it has no interest in Anambra governorship election scheduled to hold on Saturday, adding that it is the choice of the people to vote or not to vote. It, however, warned those who wish to exercise their voting right to stay vigilant, insisting that there is no going back on its sit-at-home directive to protest against the continued detain of its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB made these revelations in a statement by its spokesman, Emma Powerful, which was obtained by Sahara reporters on Thursday. The statement read in part, "We wish to correct some misconceptions, unfounded speculations, and outright falsehood concerning our position on the forthcoming November 6 governorship election in Anambra State. First of all, we wish to reiterate that IPOB did not at any time issue any order or call for the boycott of the said election, contrary to the misconception in certain quarters. In fact, IPOB has nothing to do with Anambra election. Nobody should therefore link us with the election. The freedom of our leader is what matters to us, and we don't need distractions. The priority of IPOB is to secure the unconditional release of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been illegally detained since his redemption to Nigeria. All we said was that if by November 4th, those who adopted redemption and illegally detained him failed to release him unconditionally, Biafrans should embark on civil disobedience of a 1-week sit-at-home beginning from November 5th to November 10th. This action has nothing to do with Anambra election. As a matter of fact, we are not concerned if anyone wishes to participate or not to participate in Anambra election, but our only advice to Nde Anambra, especially those contemplating to vote, is to be very careful about their security. 34,000 police officers, excluding the Army, Civil Defense, DSS, the Department of State Services, and other security personnel have been moved down to Biafra land for an election on a continuation of the mass massacre of our people, young and old. The Nigerian security personnel are using every opportunity to commit mayhem in Biafra land and then turn around to point accusing fingers at IPOB. We want to categorically state that IPOB has not asked anybody to monitor or enforce compliance to any sit-at-home, as this is unnecessarily because Biafrans willingly and consciously obey IPOB's call for sit-at-home. Our people are all fed up with their suffering and oppressive conditions imposed upon us by this country called Nigeria, and do not need any persuasion to do the needful. We also wish to totally disassociate IPOB from a very voice note warning hotel owners in Anambra to shut down from November 4th. The said voice note never emanated from IPOB. It is another handwork of our oppressors in their desperation to implicate IPOB. We, therefore, urge members of the public to discountenance with rubbish. IPOB under Nnamdi Kanu is not the author. That voice note urging all hotels in Anambra State to shut down must stop. We now order all our volunteers to unravel the monster behind this wicked voice note. It is now very obvious that some traitors are out to demonize IPOB. Our people should know that The enemies, in collaboration with some traitors and desperate politicians, are coming up with various pranks and antics to cause confusion in our midst and possibly scuttle our struggle for independence. We therefore warn that anybody caught trying to use the name of IPOB to foment trouble in Anambra State or any part of Biafran land will regret his or her action. IPOB has never told anybody or group to boycott Anambra election. We are only interested in the freedom of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have, through intelligence, observed that some desperate politicians are sponsoring some hoodlums and miscreants to use IPOB's name to dish out statements capable of creating confusion in their desperate attempt to pitch this great movement against our people. It is important to note and emphasize that IPOB has its channel of information dissemination, and any information purportedly coming from IPOB that is not passed through these channels is fake and should be disregarded. The public should stop linking us with any trash that does not have the authority of IPOB spokesperson. We still call on the federal government of Nigeria to release our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, unconditionally. He committed no crimes. To justify his illegal detention, while Fulani bandits, the terrorists and mass murderers are busy having fun in the north, the statement reads. Biko, to avoid story that touch, I beg, just sit at home. That is just it. Alright, someone said, wisdom and understanding is more profitable than dying for one Nigeria. Nigerian security is busy challenging IPOB that declared sit at home and left bandits with thugs. Biafra must be free, no election in our land though. We don't want Nigeria, period. Give us referendum, make we do. Why are you afraid for referendum? These are Nigerians' reactions to this. So guys, you've all heard it now. What's your take? Let's hear from you. Kindly drop your view below the comment section. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye.